Good morning, student. Today, deliver the lecture on shifting in demand curve. Let's start with the topic shifting demand. Shifting demand curve means change in the other factor other than the price. It means that shifting जो हो रही है वो only change in the other factor. किसकी वजह से हो रही है? अदर फैक्टर में चेंज होने की वजह से हो रही है. प्राइस रिमेन द सेम, प्राइस को सेम मानते हुए. इट लीड्स टू शिफ्ट इन डिमांड का. इसी को हम क्या कहते हैं? शिफ्टिंग कहते हैं. आइदर राइटवर्ड शिफ्टिंग इज नोन एज इंक्रीज इन डिमांड कर और लेफ्टवर्ड शिफ्टिंग इज नोन एज डिक्रीज इन डिमांड कर. इट मीन्स देयर इज टू टाइप ऑफ शिफ्टिंग इन डिमांड कर. First is increase in demand curve and second is decrease in demand curve. Now, the next topic is, what do you mean by increase in demand curve? Increase in demand curve means it refers to rise in demand of a commodity caused due to any factor other than the own price of commodity. It means that commodity will rise only due to the other factor. Other factor means price of related goods. PR indicate related goods. Next is T indicate taste. Y means income and E means expectation, एक्सेप्ट. तो राइज ड्यू टू द अदर फैक्टर. किसकी वजह से कमोडिटी राइज हो रही है? अदर फैक्टर की वजह से, अदर देन ऑन प्राइस ऑफ कमोडिटी. यहाँ प्राइस ऑफ कमोडिटी को हम कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे, ओनली चेंज ड्यू टू द अदर फैक्टर. Clear class? Now we can understand with the help of schedule and table. Schedule is price and demand. Price remain the same. Price को consider करेंगे same. Demand of commodity rise. Price, initial price is 10 and change in price is also 10. If price is 20, then demand is 100. If price is 20, then demand is 150. It means demand will rise due to other factor. Price rise होने का reason क्या है? Favorable change in the other factor. It means that favorable change in the other factor. Other factor like income, taste and preference, expectation, price of related goods, price of complementary goods, प्राइस रिमेन द सेम. प्राइस को कंसीडर करेंगे सेम. जो डिमांड रेज हो रही है ड्यू टू द अदर फैक्टर, और अदर फैक्टर मस्ट बी फेवरेबल. Now the demand curve. On the x-axis represent the price, on the y-axis represent the demand. Measure price is 20 and demand is 100 and 150. In initial stage price is 20, then demand is 100. Here point indicate. Now price is 20 and quantity demand is 150. Join the point and draw the demand. Now the demand curve is slope downward and quantity demand is OQ. Is initial demand curve. DD is initial demand curve. Now the price is 20. Demand will increase and demand curve shift D2 D1 D1. Quantity will rise OQ to OQ 1. The new demand curve is D1, D1. It means forward shifting in demand curve, increase in demand curve. या फिर आप इसे फॉरवर्ड शिफ्टिंग इन डिमांड कर्व भी कह सकते हैं. इट इज आल्सो नोन एज फॉरवर्ड शिफ्टिंग इन डिमांड कर्व. ओके क्लास, क्लियर? नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज decrease in demand curve. That means it refers to fall in the demand of a commodity caused due to any other factor other than on price of commodity. That means fall in demand curve, the quantity demand will fall due to unfavorable change in other factor. Unfavorable change in other factor means income will fall, taste and preference unfavorable, price of related goods increase, complementary goods rise. It means unfavorable change in other factor, the demand of commodity will fall due to price remain the same. Price को क्या consider करेंगे? Same मानते हैं. Now the demand schedule is price and demand. Price in rupees and demand in units. Price is 20, then quantity demand is 100. Now the price again 20, it means price remain the same. The quantity reduce 100 to 70. It means that demand will fall due to other factor, or other factor unfavorable. Now this table, draw the demand curve. Price is 20, then demand is 100. Price is 20, demand is 100. The point is here. Price is 20, demand is 70. Price 20, demand 70. Point. Then point is here. Join the point and draw the line. The initial demand curve is DD. The quantity is OQ. Now the new demand curve arise D2, D2. Then the quantity is Q2. It means that backward shifting in demand curve. It means that decrease in demand, and also known as backward shifting in demand. Okay class, thank you very much.